Welcome back everyone. I hope you are all having a great day. Let's tackle our next challenge, level 3. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in a hidden file in the in here directory. So let's head over to our terminal. We are still logged in. We list all our files in the current directory. We change the directory to the in here directory. If we use the ls command like before in this directory, we can see that there are no files visible. But remember, the password was stored in a hidden file. Hidden file names start with a dot, followed by the name. So, how would we approach this? As with anything, if we need more info, the manual pages are a great reference. So, let's head over to the manual pages for our ls command. And here, the first option is the one we will need. So, this is our entire command. And here we see the file name that we want. We repeat the same steps as in our previous challenges to read a file. And we just obtained our password. We log out by either typing logout, exit, or Ctrl D. We log into our next level. We successfully logged in. Now, to register our completion of level 3 and to synchronize it with our scoreboard, we type the read shell command. Everything is successfully synced. Let's verify on the read shell website. We update. Congratulations on completing level 3. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to show your support, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.